Hey guys, welcome back to the channel EduCool Zone, and today we are going to learn about how to declare a string and a character, and we are going to learn all those symbols which we saw in the previous section. So let's get started without wasting any time. Here you can see, as you can see, I have declared the letter A to the identifier just underscore single underscore character. Okay, so basically this identifier is storing the value A. So as we saw in the previous section how to store a character, you can do it by enclosing the character within these single quotes as I've done here. So if I give more character, it is going to show an error. As you can see, it is showing an error. So to avoid this, you have to give only one character. Now it is going to print A. As you can see here, it is printing A. So in the next line, I have declared a string. So this is how you declare a string. You have to give the size within the braces. As I said, string is nothing but an array of characters. So arrays are declared by using these square brackets. So you have to give this and then enter the respective string with a double quotes. Okay. Inside the double quotes, you have to enter your respected string. Here my string is educool space zone. Okay. So I am printing this here by using a format specifier, which we are going to learn in the later classes. So if I run this, as you can see, EduCool zone is printed over here. You might ask me one question. In the previous section, we saw that every string is ended with a null character, but here we are not printing the null character. It is surely being ended with the null character, but it won't show in the console. Okay. So now moving on to the further section, which is special symbols. So in this single program, we have used almost all the special symbols which we learned in the previous section, starting with the curly braces. Here, I have given a curly braces which indicates this entire code as one particular block of code. So if, for example, if I'm writing one more uh, function over here and giving a curly braces and write a code over here. So this code is going to be second particular block of code because it's indicated within a curly braces. So curly braces is a special symbol which is used to indicate a particular block of codes. Okay. So let me remove this. So this is one kind of special symbol. Next, coming to the second special symbol, which is open and closed parenthesis. Again, as you can see, I have given this parenthesis in function. This parenthesis is used only in functions. Okay. Here also we have used this parenthesis because printf is a inbuilt function. That's why. Okay. And yeah, this parenthesis is only used for function. And after that, we discussed on square brackets or braces. So this is used to declare an array. Here we are uh, declaring a string. String is nothing but a array of an characters. So here we are declaring this array by using the square brackets. You can enter whatever size you want, it doesn't matter. But if I enter just 2 over here, it's going to print only 012 edu in the console. Ed, see, and it's even printing an error. It's giving a warning, sorry, not an error, because I have declared only 2 as the size of an array, I mean string, and giving more than 2 characters over here. So now there will be no warning and it's going to print as it is. So this is all about the special symbol curly braces. And next, coming to the semicolon. which is also one of the special symbol. As you can see, there is no semicolon here over here because we are currently executing this entire code. Okay, that's why there is no semicolon over here. Here, after this line, if we don't give semicolon, then this particular block of code this particular line of code is not ended. Okay, we are moving directly to the next code, which is going to lead the compiler to a conflict. That's why it's necessary to end it with a semicolon. So this is the use of semicolon. It is used to terminate a line in the code. Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button if you enjoyed it and make sure you subscribe to EduCool Zone. Thank you. See you in the next one.